In this demo video, I will cover DPX's block level recovery capabilities. The first type of block restore mode I'm going to show is a file level recovery from a block level backup, which is a pretty neat function. We need to open the DPX user interface and select restore and then block restore mode. Upon opening, we'll be able to drill down into our source node groups and then select the relevant node group and relevant node within there. For the purpose of the demonstration, I'm going to recover a single file from the server that we have backed up here. I will now delete the file we are going to recover as part of the demonstration. As you can see, that logo under scroll Catalogic is now gone from this server. If we go back into the block restore mode window, we can see we have the ability to select our sources. If I drill down on my Windows node group, I have my server available within there. If I drill down into the C drive, into the backup that we took to the NetApp, onto my users, into the folder that contained the file that we just deleted, and drop down on that, I will be able to see the available recovery points within there. If I select that file, I can select then to go back to the original location or to an alternate location. Again, for the purpose of the demonstration, I'll go back to the original location. I'll save that restore job. I will now save the restore job, providing a name. I also have the ability to put that into a folder, provide a comment, and delete the job when done. The backup job has now been successfully saved, and I can now monitor that restore job. As we can see, that recovery has now started. As we can see, that restore has now successfully completed, and only took a matter of minutes to be able to do that. If I jump back onto the server, I can see my logo under scroll catalogic.png is now once again available. And there's the file in all its glory. So as you can see, file level restore from a block level backup is incredibly simple and effective, and enables us to deliver individual file recovery from a block level backup. The next type of restore I will show is an instant access to instantly make the drive protected via the block level backup available via a mapping. To complete an instant access restore, we will need to select the source that we wish to recover. I'll drill down into my Windows node group, again select my server here for the demonstration, and we can see within there the specific drives and volumes that are available within the server. If I drill down onto the C drive, again I have my recovery point available on the NetApp here. If I right click that, I can select map. I can also select an alternate secondary node if I want to recover from a replica. I can also do a restore search, verification, and a verification result. But here, to perform an instant access, I will select map. That will then bring up the instant access mapping GUI. I select here the specific server I want to perform the instant access mapping to, and that will then provide me with a list of the available mount points on that server. As you can see, that server, as we know, is already running and has the C drive used. It also has the D and the E drive used as well. For the purpose of this, I will select the X drive. So you can see here, this tells you the operation is going to mount a backup instance of the drive C to the specific node we've selected to drive X, and that's going to take a few minutes to complete. I confirm that. As you can see, we've now received notification that the C drive has been successfully mapped to the X drive on the specific node we've recovered to, and has the content as expected from that block level backup that has been taken previously. So I can now instantly access the data on there, perform any type of action I wish upon that data, validate it. I can perform DevOps, I can perform reporting, analysis on that data, just confirmation that the backup contains the data expected as well within there. So again, that shows how quick and easy it is to perform recoveries within DPX. Following performing the instant access and completing the actions that you required to on the data that have been recovered, you can also then show the map drives within here and clean up behind yourself to remove that map drive. Here we'll see we have the ability to perform an instant access and mapping, and if we drop down on the list, you can see only the X drive exists on this server as an instant access mapping. If we select unmap on there, that will confirm the operation is going to unmap the selected drive from the node. And that has now been successfully unmapped. If we go back to the server now, we can see the X drive is now gone and is no longer accessible via the server. So it really is that quick and easy to perform a restore and also clean up after a restore. And that really shows the power of DPX and its recovery capabilities from block level backups.